Okay, first of all you have to go to start, all programs, then search for Microsoft Visual Basic. Select Microsoft Visual Basic, then select Visual Basics, click open. Now open. We are making a calculator. How many text boxes we need? 3. Double click. 1 2 3. Now what we have to do, just arrange them in a specific order like this. Second one and the third one. Okay, now bring 6 command buttons. 1 2 3 4 5 6. These are all those command buttons. Arrange them like this. Command 2. This one is command. Last command. Okay, after this we have to bring labels. Now how many labels we need? We need 3 labels. And why we are using labels? In order to show that for what purpose we are using those text boxes. So bring 3 command buttons. Sorry, 3 labels. First for this one, second one here, now this one will be first number, this one will be second number, and this one will be result. Now after this, select this one and press a backspace. Select this one and press the backspace. Select the third one and press the backspace. Now change their captions. Command buttons. First one is that of addition. The next one is that of subtraction. Then division, and after this multiplication, then exit, and the last one is clear. Now after this was our designing phase. Change the form caption, this one, into calculator. How to change? Just change its caption from form 1 to calculator. Okay, now double click the addition button and write the code. Text3 dot text is equal to the value of text1 dot text plus value of text2 dot text. Now after this, go to form, double click on subtraction, copy the same code, and paste it in the next one also, but just change, this was subtraction, so just change this one to minus. The next one is division, double click on division button, paste the same code, just change this sign to division sign. The next one is multiplication, double click on it, paste the same code, just change its sign to multiply. Now after this, go to form, go to exec button and write the code END. END is used for the exec button. And now the last one is clear button. How much text boxes we have? 3 text boxes. So all the text boxes should be clear with this code. Text2 dot text is equal to empty, and the last one text3 dot text is equal to empty. Now after this, run your project. Either press F5 or press this button. Just see here, start, or just press F5, so your project will run. After this, first number, let's suppose 100, second one is let's suppose 5, addition will be 105, subtraction will be 95, the division will be 20, the multiplication will be 500. Clear will all remove all, and the exec button will remove all those. Now I want to save this one. Go to file, save project, give it the location, let's suppose desktop, make a new folder, give it the name my calculator, double click on it. Now save the first form, save the project, and after save no. Okay, now close this one and just see here, there will be written shop for, no, this one, my calculator. Double click on it, and after this, now execute, the same code will be there. Okay, after this, form, make project dot exe. I want to make it on desktop with the name my calculator. Now press OK, and exe file is created. Now close this one, no, close this one, and here is my calculator. Click on it and you will have your own calculator. So this was something about the calculator.